Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore retention metrics with Retently dashboards, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Retently dashboard in your web browser. Log into your account with your credentials. Once you're on the main dashboard, locate the retention metrics section. Click on the retention tab to access the metrics overview. Here, you'll see various graphs and data points reflecting your current retention rates. To restore metrics, look for the settings icon at the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Select the option labeled Restore Defaults. A confirmation prompt will appear. Confirm your choice to reset the retention metrics. After resetting, wait a moment for the dashboard to refresh. Once refreshed, observe the updated retention data. You may want to customize filters to view specific timeframes or customer segments. To apply filters, use the options available on the left side of the screen. Adjust the time frame to match your analysis requirements. Review the changes reflected in the graphs and metrics. If needed, export the data for further analysis by clicking on the Export button. Choose your preferred file format for download. That's it. You've successfully restored and analyzed your retention metrics using Retently dashboards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.